Hello, everybody. The time has come, and we are officially starting the AI Factory. So, the Native Builder Hackathon, which is going to be an amazing week full of building with native builders, Speechmatics, Featherless, Bright Data, and AIML API. We've got over $2,800 in prizes for the best builders. We're building fully online, so you can join from wherever you are based. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome all the amazing participants who decided to tackle this challenge, and let's move on and start. My name is Joanna, and I'm a head of marketing at Native AI. I'll be your master of ceremony for the stream. And during the stream, I want to make sure that every single one of you knows how to participate in the hackathon, how to successfully submit your project in the end, create a team, what is the challenge of this hackathon, what prizes we've got prepared for you, how to use Native Builder, and basically everything you need to know to successfully participate in this amazing event. For the agenda, we're kicking off right now. You'll hear the opening words of our partners. I'll introduce you to the challenge, give you a full hackathon guide session. Then I'd love to invite you to the Discord Q&A session on the LabLab Discord server happening at 4 p.m. CET today. So straight after the stream, if you have any remaining questions, head over to LabLab Discord server, and all of them will be answered by our mentors. And mark this date in bold. On August 10 at 3 p.m. CET, we've got the end of submissions. So this is your deadline to submit your project, and the build time starts now. Let me now introduce our speakers. Let's start with the opening words from Paweł Czech, Native AI CEO and LabLab AI co-founder. Paweł, the floor is yours.
Hi everybody, my name is Paweł Czech. I'm the co-founder of LabLab.ai. Welcome to another LabLab Hackathon. It's a real pleasure to have you here. Thank you for joining us. Over the next few days, you'll be participating in a true innovative process. You can find team members, access new technologies, and win amazing prizes. Regardless of whether you're joining us online or physically, I really hope that you're gonna find true joy in the act of building. I often say that building companies or building software is similar to writing a poem or a song. It is the act of creation, which for me means taking something out of nothing. And it's not easy. It's always difficult to be a builder, to be an innovator. But today, when you joined a LabLab Hackathon, you've already taken the first step to winning. And regardless of the outcome of the specific hack, I hope that you find amazing people in our community of creators and innovators. Once again, thank you to all the partners and the sponsors for this specific event. Please check out all the tech that's available for you. Make sure to connect with our team and ask any questions. Enjoy the next few days, and I hope that you continue to build with us in our ecosystem. Please check out our other services and our other initiatives to make sure that you can have a full journey from idea to prototype, MVP, and then building your company into an actual business. Have a great time and see you on the next one.
Thank you, Paweł. And now, time to hear the opening words from Emmanuel Iriarte, Head of AI at Natively.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the AI Factory Hackathon with Native Builder. I am Emmanuel. I am Head of AI and Software Development at Natively AI, and on behalf of our entire team, I want to tell you how excited we are to have you here. Whether you're a founder, developer, student, or somebody building your very first application, we think that you belong here because this hackathon is not only about technology, it is about imagination, about taking an idea that exists in your mind and turning it into something real, something that people can see and use, and hopefully, and perhaps something that could grow far beyond this event. That is why the theme of the hackathon is Build Without Limits. For a very long time, creating software has required large teams, specialized knowledge, significant investment, and months or sometimes years of development. Even an idea that could look simple at the beginning becomes complicated very quickly because you need to think about the interface, the database, the backend, your integrations, infrastructure, and eventually, of course, how to deploy and maintain that application. We believe that software creation is changing. We are entering a new era where the distance between having an idea and building a working product has become dramatically shorter. With Native Builder, we want to illustrate that idea. Native Builder helps you describe what you want to create, and coordinated AI agents help you transform that intention into functional software. They help you create the structure, the interface, the workloads, logic, data connections, deployment. But the most important part, it's still you. That is your idea. It is your understanding of the problem, your creativity, and your determination to build something valuable. The AI can accelerate that journey, but ultimately it is you who decides where the journey should lead. Our vision also goes beyond generating an application. When you build a product, you make hundreds of decisions. You define your users, you explore their problems, you discover what works, what doesn't work, and based on that, you change directions. And the knowledge that you develop becomes valuable over time. We believe that the system should remember that journey. It should help you understand what you're building and know why you're building it and the decisions that brought you there. And importantly, that memory should not become a cage around your work. You should not be permanently tied to one model or one technology or one provider. Your ideas belong to you, and of course, the product knowledge belongs to you as well. And the intelligence accumulated while building your product should continue working for you. Our longer term vision is for that memory to become a central foundation that can support multiple applications, multiple projects, multiple technologies. Imagine beginning every new project without having to explain everything again from zero. Imagine carrying forward what your system has already learned about your goals, about your users, your preferences, and overall your way of working. This is part of the future we're working towards. We'll also focus on a very practical challenge, which is the economics of software. We want to reduce the cost of producing software, of course, but we also want to reduce the cost of owning it because launching the first version of any project, it's only the beginning. Your software needs to be improved, it needs to be operated, and it needs to adapt to the users and businesses that change. Our ambition is to help make that entire life cycle faster, more accessible, and more sustainable. Not simply so that people can build more software, but that more people can solve real problems with it. And this is where all of you become incredibly important. You're not here only to test a product, you are actually helping us shape its direction. So during this hackathon, we want you to experiment, we want you to be ambitious, and we want you to try ideas that may feel slightly impossible, to tell us what worked well, what surprises you, what feels difficult, and tells us what you wish the product could do next. Your feedback is honestly one of the most valuable outcomes that we can receive from this event. The applications that you build, the questions that you ask, and even the moments where something doesn't feel like it's working as expected will help us make Native Builder better. You have a genuine opportunity of influencing the future of the product that you're using today. Of course, you won't be doing any of this alone. The entire Native Builder team is here to support you. We will be present throughout the hackathon to answer questions, to help you overcome challenges, listen to your feedback, and guide you from your first idea to a working, deployed product. So please feel free to reach out to us, ask any questions, share your progress. show us what you're creating, or if you get stuck, do not think that that is the end of the journey. It is just a problem that we can definitely solve together. By the end of this hackathon, we want you to have more than a presentation. We want you to have something real, a functional product or a complete user experience, a solution that demonstrates what becomes possible when your creativity together with AI collaboration work together. So my recommendation is that you start with a real problem. You think carefully about the person that you want to help, and that you build one meaningful experience from beginning to an end. Test it, improve it, and share it with the world. You have 1 week, which is a considerable time for a hackathon setting. So your idea may become a product, and who knows, maybe your experiment may become a company. We want to see these applications creating an impact, and potentially an impact far beyond what any of us could predict today. So I want to encourage you to be curious, to be bold, and to build something that matters to you. And once again, from all of us at Natively AI, we want to welcome you into the AI Factory Hackathon. We're extremely excited to build alongside you. And yeah, let's create the future of software together.
Thank you so much, Emmanuel. And I can't wait to see what our amazing participants built with Native Builder. And now let's hear straight from another partner of this hackathon, so Bright Data.
Hi, everybody. My name is Rafael. I'm a DevRel at Bright Data, and I've been with Bright Data for over 8 years. I'm here to welcome you to the AI Factory Native Builder Hackathon. You've got 7 days to ship an AI native product. If you're building anything that needs live data from the web, I can make that part fast. And honestly, I think every project here should be using live web data. So let me show you the fastest way to get started. So here's everything you need, and it's just 2 steps. Step 1, your API key. In the control panel, open account settings and generate your API key. Copy it somewhere safe. It's only shown once. Step 2, and this is the part I love. Don't set anything up by hand. Just send your coding agent to github.com/brightdata/skills. Your agent reads that repo and installs everything itself. The skills, the MCP connection to the live web, all of it. It even knows what to do with your API key. That's the entire setup. And here's what that unlocks. This is the live research skill. One prompt, and it broke the question into angles. Pulled real pages, ranked them by relevance, and wrote a cited brief. You didn't write any of that plumbing. And research is just one skill. Your app could track prices across every store and catch the drop, validate a startup idea against real competitors, or monitor what Reddit and TikTok say about any brand live. If it's on the public web, your agent can build with it. That's really it. One API key, one link for your agent, scan the code or grab the link, and everything else lives at docs.brightdata.com. One last thing. This whole video was generated with AI. My avatar, my voice, all of it. It's an AI hackathon, after all. Go build something amazing. And good luck.
Okay, folks, time for our next guest. So let's hear now from Isaac Jamal, Head of Brand at Featherless AI.
Hey everybody, this is Isaac from Featherless AI. We are super excited to be partnering with Lab once again, this time for the AI Factory Hackathon. Good luck to everyone building this week. For those who don't know, we're a serverless AI infrastructure platform specifically designed for open source models. We support over 40,000 Hugging Face models behind a single API key. So that's DeepSeek, Kimi, GLM 5.3, DeepSeek, Kimi K3, all of those models, whatever you need. And we recently raised a $20 million Series A to keep powering open source AI infrastructure. The theme this week is all about building without limits, and that's exactly where we come in. As you go from an idea to a deployed app, you can lean on us for the inference stack the entire way through for research, automation, agents, maybe even cybersecurity. That's a really big topic in open source AI these days. And you never have to worry about the GPUs. Let us take care of all that stress. To get you going, we're giving the first 500 people $25 in credits. First come, first serve, paper request. So you don't want to miss it. Just grab the promo code and you'll be all set. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. on Discord, or you can email me, isaac@featherless.ai, and I'd be happy to help you out. Now go build something cool. Good luck.
Thank you, Isaac. Time to hear straight from Speechmatic. So I'd like to welcome on stage Edgar Adamovich, Developer Relations Lead at Speechmatics.
Hello, builders, wherever in the world you are watching this from. Welcome to the AI Factory. And I mean factory. For the next 7 days, that is exactly what you are. Idea in on one end, a real deployed working product on the other. My name is Edgars and I run developer relations at Speechmatics, and I have got exactly one job in the next 5 minutes. Making sure your project is not the one the judges forget. Speechmatics builds the speech API for developers. We have been obsessed with one problem for over 15 years: understanding every voice, whatever the accent, whatever the language. 55 plus languages, global enterprises, over 100 voice AI startups already scaling on our infrastructure. And for this hackathon, $50 of credits. First 100 participants. First come, first served. Do not sleep on that. Here's what you should care. The brief is built without limits. Describe your idea to the native builder, and the agents handle the structure, the interface, the workflows, the backend, the deployment. What used to take teams of 4 and a month now takes you an afternoon. But if it takes you an afternoon, it takes everyone an afternoon. Right now, 100 teams are about to build the same dashboard, the same CRM, the same task tracker, all beautiful, all deployed, all completely interchangeable. So how do you stand out? You give your product a voice. So here is the Speechmatics challenge layered on top of the official brief. Build in a native builder, ship a real product with a real end-to-end workflow, then wire Speechmatics in as your voice layer and make that workflow start with the human speaking. Think about what that unlocks. A customer success workspace that ingests a real sales calls and flags churn risks, a field service app where the engineer talks hands full and the report writes itself, a learning assistant that hears the student explain a concept and spots what they have missed. Pick a vertical, pick a problem that matters. Make it multilingual, because most teams will not. This is how you get remembered. 4 pro tips before you go. 1. Batch first, real time later. Upload file recording, voice notes. Use our batch API. Simpler, cheaper, running inside your build in 10 minutes. Only reach for streaming if you genuinely need live conversation. Do not burn day one on WebSockets. And if your product does need a live back and forth, do not build that plumbing yourself either. We have native integrations with LiveKit and Pipecat already wired up, already production tested. Drop them into your stack and skip the part that usually eats your first 3 days. 2. Turn diarization on. 1 parameter costs nothing extra. Now your app knows who is speaking, not just what was said. That is the difference between a transcript and the actual understanding, and judges spot it immediately. 3. Use the custom dictionary, your product name, your jargon, your weird acronyms, the surnames in your data. Add them in. Watch your accuracy jump. 10 minutes of work, enormous payoff on demo day 1. 4. And this is one of my favorites. If your audio has more than 1 language in, use our newest model, Melia. Melia is our new multilingual model, code switching across all 55 plus languages. Someone starts a sentence in Spanish, finishes in English, and it comes back as one clean, continuous transcript. No language selection up front, no language packs, no routing logic in your apps. Here's how you get moving. Free API key at speechmatics.com. Redeem the promo code on the hackathon page. Then go straight to the Speechmatics Academy on the GitHub. Working examples ready to copy so you hear your own voice come back as a text in minutes, not days. Our team is in Speechmatics Discord all week. One last thing, and it matters more than people think. Your submission needs a demo video. 3 minutes max. Film the voice moment. Do not describe it. Do not put it on a slide. Show a human talking to your product and your product doing something about it. You have 7 days. Judges are scoring 4 things: application of technology, presentation and business value, originality. Voice moves the needle on all 4. So get your team, get your coffee, get your idea, and go build something that listens.
All right, everybody watching us right now, these were all the guests that we had on the stream. So now you are left with me and time to get to the details of the hackathon. So let's start with the hackathon challenge. So basically, what is your mission for the next 7 days? First, start with a question. How quickly can you transform a valuable idea into a functional product that real users can experience? So your mission now is to build a functional AI native product that solves a real problem for a clearly defined group of users. So you should start with an idea or a user need that you identified and use Native Builder to turn it into a working application. All the projects should, of course, go beyond a static landing page and demonstrate at least one meaningful workflow, interaction, automation, or AI-powered capability. For the judging criteria, the judges will be looking for the application of technology. So how effectively you implemented the technology at this hackathon. So essentially Native Builder and the technology from our partners. Then the business value, so the impact and the practical value of the solution. So remember, you were supposed to start with a real user needs or a problem that you've identified. Then it comes originality, so how unique your project is, and then the presentation, because if you can build it but you cannot present it and show it to the world, you miss a lot. So judges will also be looking at that. For the technology and access that you're required to use at this hackathon, we've got, first of all, Native Builder. So Native Builder is a natively AI native built environment. This is designed to help you move from an idea into a working app, workflow, agent, or a prototype way faster. So basically, it allows you to turn your concept into a working AI native software. Think of it as a way to go from I have an idea to I have something I can test, improve, and submit. So you can really build natively with, of course, AI at the core. So you'll be able to transform intent into actual functional software. You basically describe what you want to create, and coordinated AI agents assist with the application structure, user interfaces, workflows, logic, backend services, basically everything. So go ahead and try it and test it. Okay, and in addition to Native Builder that you'll be using at the core at this hackathon, you can also power it up with extra technology from our partners. So your end solution is way more powerful. So the partners powering up this hackathon are Bright Data, Speechmatics, Featherless, and AIML API. Each partner also prepared free credits for you that you can use to build at this hackathon, so you can give your projects way more power and capabilities. So let's go one by one. First of all, you can power up your project built with Native Builder with Bright Data. So Bright Data gives your builder agents live web capability. So remote at MCP at runtime, and the Bright Data CLI, which is powered by Scraper Studio, inside coding agents at build time. They've prepared $50 in credits per participant, so go ahead and use it. Then goes Speechmatics. Speechmatics provides speech to text and voice AI, helping you to add accurate transcriptions and understanding to agents, workflows, and real-time applications. And also, you are eligible for $50 in credits. Then goes Featherless. With Featherless, you can use it with $25 in free credits, and Featherless AI provides serverless AI inference for open source models, helping you integrate specialized models into agents, workflows, and real-time apps. And last but not least, AIML API. Here you're eligible for $10 worth of credits. And what is AIML API? It gives you access to leading AI models through a unified API, so you can build agents, assistants, automation tools, and intelligent applications faster. And how to actually get the credits? First of all, you need to participate in the hackathon. So go ahead to lablab.ai, choose the AI Factory Hackathon, enroll to the hackathon. So basically click sign up and you'll get approved if you follow all the steps correctly. And on the same event page, you'll see the codes to activate the credits together with the instructions per every partner supporting this hackathon. And mind that the credits are limited. So the sooner you apply the codes, the better, because they eventually might run out. So head over to lablab.ai and get your credits before somebody else takes them. All right, everyone, time for the exciting part, the prizes. As I told you, we've got over $2,800 for prizes, in prizes for the best projects at this hackathon. And remember that if you use the technology provided by our technology partners, you are eligible for the prizes, for dedicated prize pool at this hackathon. So let's go one by one. For the best use of Featherless AI. So if you're a team that built with native builder at the core and then decided to apply technology from Featherless AI, the winning team here gets $300 in Featherless credits. Then we go with Speechmatics. So the same idea. If you build with native builder and then apply on top of it technology from Speechmatics, the first best projects get 500 API credits from Speechmatics. The second gets another 500 API credits, and the third also 500 API credits from Speechmatics. And Bright Data. So if Bright Data really loves your use of Bright Data at your hackathon project, you'll get the cash prize of $500 and also $500 worth of the platform credits. And also, there is actually no limit of the technology partners that you can use at this hackathon. So you can build with native builder and then apply Featherless technology, but you can also combine it with, for instance, Featherless and Bright Data or Speechmatics and AIML API. And also, if you have any other technologies that you'd like to use, you can. However, the technology from our technology partners is basically recommended because you can actually score for extra prizes. So you can really go creative, and we wanted to do as much as we could to let you power up your projects. Then the hackathon walkthrough. So all of you who are participating in the LabLab hackathon for the first time, this one is for you, so listen closely. And also for the experienced hackers, if you'd like a small revision to not end up with tons of questions 5 minutes before the submission deadline, also listen closely. So how to actually join the hackathon. Your first step is to click sign up on the event page for this hackathon. So you head over to lablab.ai, go to AI Hackathons, choose AI Factory Hackathon, and click sign up. Once you successfully sign up, you'll get an email confirming your participation that you have been approved. As soon as you are approved, when you go to the event page that you used to register, you'll be able to access the team dashboard. And there you should create or join a team. Then it's highly recommended to join the LabLab Discord server, also natively AI Discord server, so you can meet your team and communicate with the mentors and your team itself. Then come up with a concept of what you'd like to build, build the prototype, and you've got time till August 10th, and then submit your solution via LabLab, via your team dashboard, so the exactly same landing page that you used to create your team. If you'd like to revisit the hackathon guide, you can scan the QR code that you can see right now on the screen, and we've got the video and text description on how to participate in a hackathon and submit your project. So all the info that you might need about the LabLab platform is there, so you can get back to it whenever you need. How to create or join a team. You remember the sign up button you used to enroll to this hackathon. As soon as you're approved, the sign up button will change into create or join a team. So once you click it, you can either create your own team or join an existing team, because you'll be able to see the full list of teams that have already been formed for this hackathon. And also remember that teams can be from 1 to 6 people. So even if you'd like to build solo, you still need to create a one-person team. So here you can see the visualization of the actual list of teams on the team dashboard. So if you'd like to join the existing team, remember that you should connect your Discord to your LabLab account, and you can basically see which teams are looking for members, so you can apply to join. There is also the chat on the team page, so you can communicate easily with the team members. And if you are still looking for a team, the best way to find a team is head over to LabLab Discord server. And I'm pretty sure, because it happens at every hackathon, that some folks are looking for a team very last minute. So I bet it will not take you longer than half an hour to find the best team for you. Then talking about Discord, if you haven't joined the LabLab Discord server yet, please do. You can see the QR code on the screen that will take you straight to the LabLab Discord server. Scan it, join it, and explore what's there. And if you'd like to contact mentors and you need support, or you have any questions regarding this hackathon, please use the channels dedicated to this hackathon, which are AI Factory Native Builder Hackathon. You'll see the dedicated channels there, so please use them, so you can actually get support way faster than if you use some other channels, because our Discord has grown pretty big lately. And also please use the mentors tag if you need mentor support, so they can actually get notified about your question and answer you faster. If it comes to the deliverables that you should submit by the hackathon deadline, which is August 10th. You should deliver the product description, the presentation, and the GitHub link with the demo. And regarding the presentation, what is required is a PDF, so it can be a one-pager, it can be a full presentation, and also a video no longer than 5 minutes, so actually the judges can watch what you've built. If you are ready to submit your project by the end of the hackathon, you should only go to your team dashboard, and you'll see a big button, Submit Project, together with a counter counting down the time left for the submissions. So just click it, and you'll be taken over to the form that you'll be required to fill out. And once you fill out all the basic information about your project, you'll be able to submit it. I believe it has 3 pages. So once you're done with all 3 pages, click submit, and you're done. Now, of course, a reminder to follow us on social media, not only LabLab, but all our partners, and of course, Natively AI. Don't stay quiet about your projects. Speak up about them. Show us on socials what you've built, and we'll do our best to amplify the coolest posts that we see. And then, important thing. So if you were thinking of leaving, please stay for one more second. I would like to tell you a little bit more about the upcoming hackathons. There are 2 hackathons at the moment available for signups on the LabLab website. However, we've got way more to be announced, so it can happen any day and any minute from now on. And I'm pretty sure we've got some experienced hackers in here that join hackathons one by one. So this one's for you. First of all, next up, we've got AI Infra Summit Hackathon, and this is hybrid. So we're building online from 10th to 16th of September, and then the on-site part is happening in Santa Clara on 16th and 17th, on 15th and 17th of September. So that the hacking 48 hours. And here we've got amazing partners already announced. So I highly recommend checking out the event page for this hackathon. The prizes will be also announced soon, as well as more partners. Believe me, we'll have tons of amazing tracks, and this is the official hackathon of the AI Infra Summit. So if you're in California and would like to join us, do it. And also a note to all the developers experienced in robotics, we'll have an amazing track for you there. So head over to the site and go explore. And then we've got the TechX Amsterdam Hackathon. This one is also hybrid. So even if you're not based in Amsterdam or not planning to travel there, you can also participate. This is the official hackathon of the AI and Big Data Expo Europe, happening, of course, in Amsterdam and online, happening on 19th and 20th of October. We'll be announcing tons of amazing big partners and the prize pool very soon, but this is the best moment to actually secure your spot before the others do. So keep the momentum going and join the upcoming hacks. Now I'd love to wish you best of luck and invite you to the Q&A session happening at 4 p.m. CET. So just in, I believe, 30 minutes or something like that on the LabLab Discord server. Good luck, hackers, and remember about the deadline. We all cannot wait to see what you built. Bye, everybody.